but the P sound effect.
Yes.
So you wanted to get a certain sound. What did you do? How'd you do it?
And so Elmo Weber, who was a young man at the time, he was my sound effect guy. Elmo did all the sound effects. We would go upstairs. We'd hang upstairs. This is before Elmo made it big. Elmo's got big studios now.
Right.
And he would go into a room, a Foley room, and he would make the noises. And
I heard it was he took a hose and put it in a toilet bowl.
I think so, something like
and
that.
experimented with the different sounds to get the urination maximum funny.
I can't believe it. I think you're right. I don't know how the hell you know so much.
I was there. I consulted on that. You didn't know it.
Okay, more Neil.
I will go up and down on you, and I'll rub my naked butt against your naked butt.
What did you say to him in there? Hmm? What did you say to him in there? I negotiated. You know, it's an art.
Don't apologize, honey. You killed the kidnapper. Grab the hatchet.
What? Oh my God!
Of love, I love you, love, I love you, love, I'll move, you move, I'll move, and one more time with feeling.
Where you going? Nobody hit it.
I stole the base. You weren't looking, so I stole it.
You said you could only advance after you hit the ball.
Not when you're stealing.
That's bullshit.
Okay, shortstop.
Fire!
Oh, there it is. He made me drive him around so that he could flash people from my sunroof. Sorry. I became his accomplice, his accessory to flashing. I drove what felt like forever. I mean, I used a tank and a half of gas.
What the fuck, dude?
In hindsight, I guess I could have probably driven away at that point. Yeah.